How to clear cache on iPhone apps. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video I will be teaching you how to clear cache on iPhone apps. So let's begin. The very first step is to simply open your settings app and then go to general. And then once you're in general, go to iPhone storage. And then right here, unlike the Android devices, you may be able to see the clear cache button. So when you're using iPhone, you will be only seeing the offload app button, which is pretty much the same with the clear cache button. So if you are here on iPhone storage, what you're going to do is to choose the app that you want to clear the cache. For example, I want to clear the cache of TikTok. So simply press on TikTok and then click on Offload App right here. So once you click on Offload App once again, and then go to your App Store and re-download the app. You may also re-download the app by clicking on the button that will appear right here. However, do take note that some apps have the clear cache option. So, for example, let's go ahead on TikTok, and then you go to your profile. Click on the three lines found on the upper right corner, click on Settings and Privacy, and then scroll down and look for the Clear Cache button. So what you're going to do right here is to simply click on Clear Cache and then wait for it to load. And then once it is done loading, as you can see, the cache has been cleared. So simply search for apps that has this clear cache button. So as far as I've known, TikTok has this one. And I don't know with Facebook, Instagram, and other apps yet. So that's it. That's how you can clear cache on iPhone apps.
So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.